Welcome. Today, we're showing you how to access the tow hitch on your Tesla Model Y. As of December 2025, accessing the tow hitch involves removing a cover for aesthetic reasons. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can safely and easily prepare your Model Y for towing. This is for light towing, a Class 2 receiver with a maximum of 3,500 pounds trailer weight and 300 pounds tongue weight. Before you begin, park your Model Y on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and turn off the vehicle. If your Model Y is equipped with air suspension, use the touchscreen to lower the vehicle. Navigate to Vehicle, then Suspension, and select Lower or Jack mode. This will provide an extra 1 to 2 inches of clearance, making the cover removal easier. This feature can be found in the late 2024-2025 firmware and software updates. Locate the plastic rear cover, a black panel, usually with Tesla branding, at the bottom of the rear bumper. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to access the clips. Gently pry open the 2 push-pin clips on the cover's bottom edge. Once the clips are released, gently pull the cover downwards to detach it from the bumper. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could crack the cover. With the cover removed, the square hitch receiver will now be visible. You can now insert your hitch ball, sold separately or as part of Tesla's accessory kit, into the receiver. Secure the hitch ball in place using the provided pin and clip. Make sure it is properly secured before towing. Once you've finished using the tow hitch, reattaching the cover is just as important. Reverse the removal steps by positioning the cover over the hitch receiver and gently pushing it upward until the clips snap securely into place. If you lowered the suspension earlier, remember to raise it back to its normal height via the touchscreen controls in the vehicle menu under Suspension. A properly reassembled cover will protect the hitch from debris and maintain your Model Y's clean aesthetic. Important safety considerations for towing begin with consulting your Model Y owner's manual for specific details regarding towing. The tow hitch is designed for light towing, so avoid overloading it to prevent damage or accidents. Tesla advises against using aftermarket hitches without verifying their fitment and compatibility with your vehicle. For optimal safety, consider adding a trailer brake controller and always check all connections before each trip. According to Tesla's warranty claims from internal data leaks in 2025, the hitch system has less than 1% failure rate, mostly due to misuse. Towing with electric vehicles is on the rise, driven by smoother regenerative braking and efficient power delivery that traditional gas vehicles can't match. Industry analysts predict EVs will capture 30% of the towing market by 2030, with Tesla leading the way through innovative features. Expect to see Tesla-enhanced towing features in upcoming Model Y refreshes, such as automated hitch detection via cameras and wireless trailer brake controllers. Tesla's over-the-air updates will enable adaptive towing modes for better battery efficiency and stability, making EV towing more practical than ever. Remember to inspect the cover clips regularly, as they can loosen over time. Tesla recommends professional inspections during routine maintenance. While the Model Y's towing setup is user-friendly, it's essential to follow these guidelines to ensure safety and prevent damage. The hitch is not rated for severe duty, so avoid overloading. According to Tesla, the Model Y can tow up to 3,500 pounds, but independent tests from Consumer Reports in 2024 confirm this with caveats for battery drain. Expect 20 to 30% range reduction when towing. Happy towing?